In this video, I'm going to show you how to log on to Microsoft Power BI, our new reporting platform that will encompass many reports as time progresses. So to do so, you'll see an icon on your desktop called Rodix Cloud. Double click onto this. It will then ask you to sign in. To sign in, we have introduced a new email address, and it is your practice name at rodrix.cloud. Then enter your password. It will then ask you to say signed in. You can click yes. Once you've signed in, it will then show you the reports that have been shared with you. Stay tuned for more videos as we will share more reports with you as time progresses. Thank you.